Gold traded bearish yesterday and achieved 2310 levels, while today again it has started the day on a bearish note, moving towards 2307 levels. Now it is again on the path of recovery. What to expect today, how to profit today, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates, two targets a day with precision. So subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Watch till the end to get the levels. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly chart. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. If you look at the hourly charts, uh, first of all, it has traded bullish here. It is, see, we have discussed yesterday that it has formed a cusp. Forming a cusp, we have seen now gold trading in this bearish channel. It is forming a flag here. If it is bullish, it has to break beyond 23 30 32 zone in order to confirm further rise. Right now I can see it in a retracement mode. At the same time, it is not bearish as well, because see, this was the flat bottom and it is yet to break below the, and thus these levels at 2290 2280 holds the key for it to trade bearish, else it is still not trading bearish. It is trying to form a flag, and this is a bullish flag here. You can see once it breaks out beyond 23 25 26, or rather I will say 23 26 28 and 23 32 levels today. If it breaks this, you can say it is reversing. Now see, moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. If you look at the RSI, this is stochastic, this is rising, showing bullishness, while MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is indeed a bullish cross. Let's see if it rises. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts here, after the rise, it has come to take the support from the 20 50 100 period moving average. Now see what has happened here. It has formed a tail. It is trading bearish here. It has to give a breakout. Now what should be our buying entries? I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 23 24 26 zone today, and then expect it to move towards 23 30 32, beyond which we can look forward to a rise towards 2340 and 2350 levels. And if you look at the formation, see the rise here, retracement, consolidation, again a rise here, then retracement, consolidation. So if it breaks out from here, it is going to be a stronger bullish move. Let's see if it delivers such move. The stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish here, and it appears there is little further bearishness available. RSI almost comfortable. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, after the rise, it has retraced. It has been trading in this bearish channel. So I will wait for the next candle, and once with the next candle, if gold trades about 23 26 levels, you can initiate a buying entry for 23 30 32, and then beyond that 2340. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is still bearish here, while RSI is showing little bullishness. On the 4-hour, see on the 4-hour charts, after delivering fewer bearish candle, it is trying to show a reversal sign. Now when we have a reversal sign and the succession candle closing at the top, I do expect that this candle might show a little rise. So in fact, if it stays about 2320, there could be further bullishness where we can expect it to move towards 23 25 26. So but ideal safer buying entry should be at around 23 25 26 levels. Those who want to risk a little can buy about 2320 as well, but it is going to be a little bit riskier because it has to break on the upside. Unless and until it breaks beyond 23 30 32, we should not be treating gold as bullish. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 31st mentorship batch is starting soon. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. So write an email. Again, contact me for any of your queries via Telegram or email. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, with global presence, which offers a SAF-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts, we can see already lower lows are done, and if you see lower highs, there is a possibility for gold to move towards 2330. But I think this is going to be a difficult move. We have to wait and see how it behaves first at 2320. Then 23 25 26, and then 23 30 32. If these two levels are taken, then certainly we are looking at 23. See, you can find the median here, but I will be looking forward to 2340 levels as the next targets. What has happened on the daily chart? See, what I am looking at right now is after the drop, retracement, then lower lows, then retracement. Now see, both the times it is delivered lower highs and lower lows. So I will still not say that gold has turned bullish unless and until we are above 2340, 2350 levels. Unless and until you see gold trading above 2340 and 50, I will not say that it is reversing. Remember this fact. So till then we have to just capture the pips which we are getting on the, if it is a bullish trend we can capture few pips, and if it is a downtrend we can capture few pips. That is how you need to trade, because we know that the reversal confirmation is only about 2340-50, while the bearish confirmation is only below 2280-90. In between this zone we have to be trading with caution. Stochastic is showing a rise. The MACD has traded enough bearish, it may convert, so we it suggests that there could be bullishness. RSI is comfortable. Looking at this, if you want to trade a bit riskier, you can buy here at 2320 levels. Wait for 2325, 26 zone, first target zone, then 2330-32 the next, and then beyond that ideally I will be looking forward to 2340 levels. Take your positions accordingly. On the downside, a selling entry is now limited at around 2310 levels. Below 2310 you can take a sell entry for 2305, 03 first target zone 2297, the second, and below that 2290 levels can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.